Hi, everyone. Today I want to share with you an amazing home remedy that you can use to care for your hair and promote its growth. Mixing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water can be a fantastic final. Rinse after washing your hair with shampoo and conditioner. What makes this mixture so special is that it not only helps to cleanse the scalp deeply, but also acts as a natural pH balancer. This is essential for promoting hair growth, preventing dandruff, and improving overall hair health. To make this homemade rinse, simply mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Once you have prepared the solution, simply spray it onto your scalp and allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. You can do this once a week or as often as you feel necessary. According to various sources, the use of apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse can provide the following benefits. It helps to remove buildup and impurities from the scalp, which can prevent hair growth and cause dandruff. It maintains the natural balance of the scalp's pH, which is crucial for promoting healthy hair. It adds shine and smoothness to the hair. It is free of sulfates, which can strip hair of its natural oils and make it dry and damaged. Give this homemade rinse a try and see the difference it can make in your hair care routine. Your hair will thank you for it.